The 2024 Governor's Arts and Heritage Individual Award goes to John Furniss. John is a testament to the transformative power of creativity and resilience. Based in Washougal, John's life changed course after a traumatic experience at the age of 16 left him blind. Struggling with mental illness and addiction for years, John found a new sense of purpose in 2010 when he discovered woodworking at a school for the blind in Utah. This creative outlet ignited a passion, leading him to become a celebrated woodturner, motivational speaker, author, and teacher. Along with his wife Annie, John reaches over 2 million followers on social media, advocating for mental health, disability rights, and blindness awareness. For his outstanding woodcraft, his incredible journey of personal growth, and his inspiring work to raise awareness and advocate for others, the 2024 Governor's Arts and Heritage Individual Award goes to John Furniss.
Hello, my name is John Furniss. I am a blind woodworker from Washougal, Washington, and I have to say I am completely blown away to be receiving this award. When I first started woodworking back in 2006 at a LIFT program associated with vocational rehab in Utah, I never ever thought I would be where I am today receiving this award. Recently, I've been able to bring it full circle, and I've been working with a group that's teaching woodworking at the Washington State School for the Blind, both to the students there and to a LIFT program just like I learned at. It's incredible the confidence and pride that is in these students when they have something that they made with their own two hands. And since no one does anything alone, I have to thank my wife and the love of my life, Annie Furniss. I could never be where I am now without her, and certainly not here because she's the one that nominated me. Also, I would like to thank former Governor Inslee and the Washington State Arts Commission for giving me this award. This is an incredible honor, and I can't thank you enough. Take care, everyone.
To explore current and past Governor's Arts and Heritage Award honorees, visit arts.wa.gov/GAHA.